Hi, I'm Matt Buca from AVI here with a tech tip on diesel fuel systems. So, customer complaint could be lack of power, smoke, noise. Okay, it could relate to a lot of different things on a diesel engine. Okay, don't forget about fuel quality. You know, fuel quality is where it all starts. Diesel engines rely on fuel quality to run correctly. So if I have low cetane fuel, if I have the wrong type of fuel, either D1 instead of D2, or if I got contaminated fuel, all those things are going to affect the way it runs. So before you start spending a lot of time on diagnostics and get your scan tool out, to spend a lot of time to where you're not going to find the problem or you're going to misdiagnose it, test your fuel first. So a good fuel test is the first thing you want to do. And don't forget about compression on this engine either, because compression is my ignition. You'll find most of your problems by testing those two things. So I'm Matt Buca with AVI. That's your tech tip for today.